Anyway, it's time for the email. It's email time from the Cinderella of TV, me. Let's see. This is from Jake in Hamden in Massachusetts. Hamden is also the name of the national soccer stadium in Scotland. Anyway, Jake in Hamden, Massachusetts says, Dear Craig, I've been trying to do that thing where you blow into your cupped hands and do bird calls. Can you demonstrate? Well, normally, of course, I could, but I'm dealing with this terribly. I'll try. I can't promise anything with this. Things, you know, you can't really do on TV, but wish you could. All right, what you want to do is get that like that a little bit there. Get your hand like that, just like that. You know, your thumbs there like that. And you get your mouth here like this. What? Shut up! There's a couple of guys in the audience going, I don't get it. What the hell is he doing? Women are like, exactly. Anyway. What you do is you get here and you go, and then you go. Oh, hello, Owlie. Mr. Owl. The Owlie. Oh. Anyway, I can do that. Doesn't Dave do that in his show? He does the thing. Yeah. What was he going to do? Sue me? I work for him. He knows I don't have any money. He's responsible.